Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban ai mensiam ya ki long me long pa ki baseng kam singjam ki samla Ïalehkai ki doktor bat ki we ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage henne ka janmit ka Pynkup Burom ya ka kong Karalin Wanchnong ka food entrepreneur Usunal Bajoria trustee in charge of Kamakyalal Bajoria Charitable Trust Redeem Talang u Indian professional footballer u Dr. Chayanika Sarma ka Bharat Sevashram Sangha Shillong Organization ka Irik Menlang Shabong ka Indian Army wrestler Bad u Ajay Agarwala u social welfare hakan ikasngi lawan banyadan lang da u principal secretary jong ka Sarkar Jilla u Simpat Kumar habakren hakan ka janmit nakalyang u Kumar ulapan pau ya ka jing songkmen banyo I baka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage kami isyakmat ban ay jing itho Ïaki ba Trei na ka Bynta ka Imlang Sahlang ula benrap da ka baong baka jing Trei lang kawan ra ya uso ka jing job kum kinong Trei mon ngobha kan bha shibon bakin Trei shitom patwan ra ya ka jing kala da ka ba itho karpang Ïaki tu ki ba Trei na ka Bynta ka Imlang Sahlang.
Deserve a big round of applause. Thank you.
Back to the society because we have been given because of the society. So we have to give it back. It's not that we are giving any charity, honestly. It's actually the society that has given us these positions, the opportunities to serve people. I think it's a way we are giving it back. So this is coming back, the concept, you all, I just want to share one important insight, the importance of cooperation. So there is I wanted to share this one. There is a historian, and a great philosopher, Yuval Noah Harari. A lot of people must be reading about him. So he wrote a very interesting concept. He comes up with a very interesting concept in his book called Sapiens. The entire human beings, the way we could able to, conquer the world was essentially because these sapiens, they understood the concept of cooperation, helping each other, sharing responsibilities. So I think the concept of this cooperation is so important. I think we should never, more we cooperate with each other, more we actually, serve others, actually, the society will progress. I think that's what we see this, today, in this function I'm seeing, like what I'm learning from is that it's a beautiful concept. And I was also sharing, you have done a lot of work. I think you have been working on a lot of healthcare sector. I was talking to the award recipient, from, Madam Sharma. So I think, and also you also said like as a Rotary Club you're working for cervical cancer screenings, and so there is so much work is needed because is there actually. I think this kind of a contribution from the civil society organizations, Rotary clubs, and this kind of an organizations would definitely benefit the state. And there is I think thanks for somebody who's actually reading up about my biodata, and telling about myself. But I just wanted to say something that most of the problems, the human problems, are very complex. So it requires a lot of collaborative efforts to solve those complex problems. I was just listening to each one of the work that what you have done. So it's a complex. For example, the entrepreneur, she has been actually, not only just like she's creating value for herself, but she's creating value for a lot of single mothers. So beautiful. So it's a pretty interesting, then when we talk about single mothers, the challenges of single mothers, the challenges of, again, the children of single mothers, then again they come to the, psychiatrist and saying, they have challenges, like a lot of, because when you don't have, you have a lot of stress, people get into substance use, and then a lot of mental health challenges. So everything is connected. So interconnectedness of the problems, I think, is can be seen from the awardees, the kind of awardees that what we have here. I think how each one can actually collaborate. I really appreciate this vocational, idea. Like I think the Kaveri ji, I think she was the one who anchoring this entire program. I congratulate you, ma'am. And I'm sure this kind of encouragement to most, to those who are actually doing good work will help them to do more good work. and like I can see she can actually win the next national games with the state what she got. I think so. And second thing, it also actually makes many others to aspire to do good work. I think that's so it's like this kind of infectious, motivation, like infectious energy should be, created. I think this kind of meetings and these kind of awards, I think, symbolize that, that kind of a motivation. So thank you very much for inviting me, and I wish you all the best, and thanks for just like giving me this opportunity to see you and to talk to you. Thank you.